Tapat sa tungkol. Your 15 seconds starts now.
I personally think that dahil hashtag tapat sa tungkulin is connected sa scouting is because being a Boy Scout is not just about being something or joining these activities just for fun or just because of boredom. Joining Girl Scout and Boy Scout is all about being an inspiration to others, for wanting to have a better future for each of us, for the students like us, para mas maging maunlad at para mapatunayan ang kakayahan ng isang estudyante. Ang pagiging tapat sa tungkulin ay ang pagpapractice ng pagiging responsibilidad para sa mas matatag na paninindigan para sa mga future problems na ating makakaharap. Kaya Boy Scout and Girl Scout isn't just about joining these activities for fun. It's about learning something new and being compassionate, being brave, and facing those problems and activities na makakapagpasaya sa'yo, na ma-enjoy mo, and na you will learn something new. That's all. Thank you.